Hello, everybody, and good day, good evening to you. The Vitruveo blockchain, layer one blockchain, the first of its kind rebasing blockchain airdrop is live. Let me take you through the process. First of all, go to vitruveo.xyz. When you fall on the home page, you can see the button directly, which sends you over to the airdrop. Okay, so that's where you go first. From there, what you want to do is go, once you click there, you're going to be going to airdrop.vitruveo.xyz. Can go ahead and connect your wallet. First thing you got to do is fill up a couple tasks. Okay, so there's required tasks in order to supercharge your airdrop. First of all, follow Vitruveo chain on X, i.e. Twitter. Join Vitruveo Discord server. For those that not familiar with Discord, what you're gonna get is a code, which is gonna look like this. Okay. It's going to look like this. You're going to get a small code, which you can copy or join directly Discord if you haven't already. And if you have, it will prompt the next thing, which is this. Where is it? Okay, here it is. So it's a chat, okay? And what you do is you copy paste that exact code in there, and that will verify the tasks immediately, okay? So it's working really, really smoothly. It's really well done, okay? And then, well, you just go ahead and continue with your tasks. So calculate VAM, Vitru airdrop multiplier, swap USDT to get Vitru, stake, and get a referral link. So let's do a couple together and see how it goes. So there you go. We're calculating our VAM. How does that work? 1.15x bonus. Nice. Okay. Apparently that's our VAM. Cool. Okay. Swap USDT or USDC to get Vitru. Awesome. So USDT and USDC to get Vitru. So let's see. What can we we swap on Binance Smart Chain? I would assume yes. So BUSD, yes, and USDT both. So what you do is you get open, for example, Bog Finance. You have your MetaMask open. Okay. So you go to Bog Finance. Okay, there are all the links in the description. Okay, you get some BNB. So 0.1 BNB should do the trick to get the minimum requirement, which is $50. Okay, so you get $50 worth of BUSD. Go ahead and swap it. Confirm transaction in your MetaMask. This is the minimum. All right, you confirm the minimum. Get yourself some BUSD. Keep some BNB in there for gas. All right, there you go. That should be going through. Voila. Now you got yourself some BUSD. Okay, awesome. Now you go back to the screen of the airdrop. Let's open that up. So here we go. First thing we do is swap. So we can swap $50 worth. So let's go with BUSD, $50. Swap now. Approving the BUSD transaction in MetaMask to get your 50 BUSD of Vitruveo. All right. Approve. Voila. So now with MetaMask, you need to approve first the amount, and then there's another transaction to where you have to sign to swap. Okay. So voila, we're doing that now. We're signing to swap. There we go. Transaction is pending. Okay, so we just got to wait till... Oh, there you go. The balance is loading. Our Vitruveo balance is loading. Ooh la la. 23. Boom. Shakatakalaka. Let's go. We got ourselves 23 Vitru. Then we go ahead and stake. So let's go ahead. You can stake from 60 to 180 days with a different APR. Let's go ahead and stake the max. Stake my Vitru. Boom shakatakalaka. Let's go. Switching to Vitru mainnet as it's a transaction on Vitruveo mainnet. You can stake for as long as you want. The more you stake, the more points you get. Switching network. Signing transaction. So each of these stakes, all this will also not only get you more XP to get you points, and this points will get you a share of, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, and then you can see your stake history. Boom, shakataka laka, just like that. We already have 3,669 points. Awesome. So as you can see, you stake longer, you earn more points. Staking for 180 days will yield you 8 points daily for every 10 Vitruveo tokens. Stake longer, earn more APR on your Vitruveo, earn 50% APR when you stake for 180 days. Stake longer and larger to receive greater Vitruveo ecosystem airdrops, which will occur randomly. And there's already 3 confirmed ecosystem airdrops: Hancho Exchange token, Flipia Exchange token, and a sip of chai. Okay, and more coming. Awesome. So that's out of the way. And well, just a little bit brief. So the more you participate now, the more XP you get, the more points, the more share you'll have of the amount of airdrop Vitruveo tokens, which will be allocated for everybody for this airdrop. Okay, so voila, free airdrop, folks. Get on, and now let's check out the leaderboard whilst we're at it. Okay, so let's check out the leaderboard. Boom, shakataka laka. Let's see that. Damn, 210th. I'm 210th. I got still work to do. I got still some work to do. Rohan is 3rd. Nice, nice. The Rohan is 3rd. SO is 6th. Awesome. Good job, folks. J Mass is 10th. All right. Well, let's see. Let's see if I can catch up with these boys. Okay. You can do something else as well. Check this out. So let's go back to the dashboard. So you can create a referral link that's 150 points automatically, and then you can copy that and share your referral link everywhere you like. But also immediately you can post on X, i.e. Twitter. There you go. Let's go. Let's post on X. And that will get me, how much will that get me? 100 referral points. There you go. Post on X, posting immediately. No time to waste to get some XP right there. All right. Have a lovely day. Take care. Check out vitruveo.xyz to go to the airdrop website. You go to airdrop.vitruveo.xyz. It's right there. Right there. Okay. Enjoy. This is a layer 1 rebasing blockchain, the first of its kind for creators and collectors. It's going to be awesome. Have a lovely day, lovely evening. Take care, and bye.